Looking to turn your home into a winter wonderland this Christmas? If you're ready to dazzle your neighborhood and bring holiday cheer with breathtaking outdoor lights, you're in the right place. From classic setups to unique displays, I'm going to show you outdoor Christmas light ideas that will make your home stand out like never before. Let's get started. What are some classic outdoor Christmas lighting ideas that never go out of style? Classic outdoor Christmas lighting brings warmth and nostalgia to the season. Here are some timeless ideas to give your home that iconic holiday glow. 1. Twinkling icicle lights on the roofline. These classic lights create a snowfall effect as they hang from your roofline. It's an elegant look that makes your home appear like it's coated in frost and ice. They work beautifully on almost any style of house and pair well with other lighting accents. 2. Wrapping trees and shrubs in white lights. Wrap your trees and bushes in soft white lights to create a simple yet sophisticated look. This clean approach highlights your landscaping and provides a warm ambience. 3. Wreaths and garlands with built-in lights. Adding pre-lit wreaths and garlands to doors, windows, or balconies brings a balanced glow across your home's exterior. It's subtle, yet effective, for creating a well-rounded Christmas display. If these classic ideas bring back memories, don't forget to like and share this video to spread the holiday spirit. How can I use colored lights creatively for an eye-catching Christmas display? Colored lights can bring a fun, playful twist to your holiday decor. Here's how to make the most of them without overwhelming your design. 1. Create color-themed zones. Set up different zones of your yard in specific colors. For example, one section could be all blue and white for a winter wonderland, while another could feature classic red and green for a traditional Christmas vibe. 2. Use animated color-changing lights. Choose LED lights that change colors and create a dynamic effect in your display. You can set them to gradually transition or even flash for a more festive, lively atmosphere. 3. Highlight pathways with multicolored lights. Line your walkways with multicolored lights to guide visitors to your door. This small touch creates a welcoming effect and makes it feel like stepping into a Christmas fairyland. Got a favorite color combination? Comment below and tell us how you plan to use colors in your Christmas lights this year. What are some energy-efficient outdoor Christmas lighting ideas? With energy-efficient lighting, you can create a festive display without a huge impact on your electricity bill. Here are some ideas to keep your setup eco-friendly. 1. Opt for LED Christmas lights. LED lights use significantly less energy than traditional bulbs and stay cool to the touch, which makes them safer for outdoor setups. They also last longer, making them a great investment for future holiday seasons. 2. Use solar-powered lights. For areas like your driveway, walkway, or garden, try solar-powered Christmas lights. These lights charge during the day and automatically light up at night, so they're easy to install and energy efficient. Set timers for your lights. Using timers not only saves energy, but also keeps your display looking coordinated. Set a timer to turn the lights on at dusk and off at bedtime so you can enjoy the ambiance without extra energy costs. Want to save energy and money? Check the description for our favorite energy-efficient lighting options. How can I make my outdoor Christmas lights sync with music? A light display synchronized with music can transform your yard into a festive showstopper. Here's how to get that dancing lights effect. No. 1. Invest in a light control system. Many lighting control systems allow you to sync lights to music using an app or remote. Look for systems compatible with your existing lights, or purchase lights that have this feature built in for the easiest setup. 2. Choose a playlist of festive songs. Pick a selection of popular Christmas songs or instrumentals. Certain songs work better with synchronized lights, so test a few options to see which ones create the most magical effect. 3. Coordinate light patterns with the music beat. Some systems allow you to choose specific patterns or effects that change with the music. For instance, you can set lights to pulse with the beat or twinkle during softer parts of the song, making your display dynamic and exciting. Excited to try out a musical light show? Subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating holiday magic. What are some unique and creative Christmas light ideas for decorating trees outdoors? Trees can serve as the centerpiece of your outdoor lighting display. Here are some standout ways to decorate them. 1. Globe lights for a cozy effect. Wrap trees with oversized globe lights to create a warm, cozy glow. Globe lights look great on larger trees and add a vintage flair to your display, reminiscent of ornaments on a Christmas tree. 2. Net lights for easy wrapping. Cover bushes and trees quickly with net lights. These lights are easy to install and provide even, all-over illumination, making your trees appear magically covered in lights. 3. Icicle and string light combo. Use icicle lights on the higher branches to mimic falling snow, and wrap the lower branches with string lights for added depth and sparkle. This combination creates a multi-dimensional look that's both elegant and festive. If you're loving these tree lighting ideas, add this video to your Christmas playlist so you can refer back to it later. How can I light up my garden and pathway to make them festive and functional? Lighting up your pathways and garden not only adds holiday cheer but also keeps guests safe as they navigate your outdoor space. Here's how. 1. Candy cane pathway lights. These red and white striped lights are perfect for lining your driveway or walkway. They bring a whimsical touch and make it easy for guests to find their way to your door. 2. Stake lights for a classic look. Use stake lights around flower beds or along pathways for a classic, clean appearance. Choose lights with holiday-themed shapes, like snowflakes or stars, to make it extra festive. 3. Fairy lights in the garden. Drape fairy lights over bushes or along fences to make your garden twinkle. This gentle glow adds a touch of magic and fills out your entire yard with soft, enchanting light. Love these pathway and garden lighting ideas? Explore our description for more holiday lighting inspiration. How can I use projectors and laser lights to create a stunning Christmas display? Projectors and laser lights offer a unique way to cover large areas without extensive setup. Here's how to get the most out of them. 1. Choose a holiday-themed projector. Projectors are available in various festive themes, from snowflakes to Santa Claus. Simply position the projector to cover your garage door or exterior wall for an instant holiday scene. 2. Combine laser lights with traditional lights. Laser lights can add an extra layer of sparkle and fill in dark areas without needing additional strings of lights. Use them alongside your main lights to enhance the overall look. 3. Add a moving pattern for extra magic. Some projectors offer moving patterns that create a snowfall or twinkling effect. This adds life to your display and gives it a captivating, mesmerizing quality. Want to add a bit of magic to your home? Check the description for our favorite projectors and laser lights. There you have it, 7 fantastic outdoor Christmas light ideas to bring holiday magic to your home. From timeless classics to tech-savvy displays, these ideas will make your house the talk of the neighborhood. Which idea will you try this year? Let me know in the comments below.